witness them, every one of them.
Dear brother and dear sisters, let's joy your breath.
Soldier people, be strong.
We speak the words that forever travel the earth. Seeking remembrance, glimpses of the primal dance. Forever.
Don't you be a stumbling block in your road.
That is all I know. You everywhere I go. Synchronicity of motion. That is all I know. Brother, help me cheer up, cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. Love shall never give up. Sisters, help me cheer up, cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. Love shall never give up.
Broken down with no love within them, catapulted from their goals. Just see them work evil and then not come to discipline them. It's not how this story goes.
Who I said he get a beat shall fall and bury me. Walking on the edge of a beat. Jah knows I shall speak. Jah knows I shall speak now. Who I said he get a beat. Who I said he get a beat shall fall and bury me. Shall fall and bury. Walking on the edge, my brother, tell me. Jah knows I shall speak. Brother, help me cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. Love shall never give up. Sister, help me cheer up, cheer up, cheer up, cheer up.
Try to live in love and life. Oh, the rain is falling, don't give up. Gather up the raindrops to fill your cup. A rainbow did promise you. I knew you. That's what you're going to do. Bring out the new you. That is exactly what you got to do. Leave the past in the past and may the present always be for you until Jah calling you home again, where you will find some peace again and cheer up, 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 whether you be night or day.
same thing. A happy life full of blessing. When times come critical, teach well the children.